In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use Google Docs effectively. If you're looking to streamline your document creation process, Google Docs is an excellent tool. It allows you to create, edit, and collaborate on documents online seamlessly. Let's get started on setting it up so you can dive into all this platform has to offer. The first step is heading over to the Google Docs website. Open up your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, and in the address bar, type docs.google.com. Hit enter and you'll be taken to the main website where all the Google Docs magic happens. Now you might notice something in the top right corner of the screen. If you're not logged into your Google account, you'll see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to accessing all of Google's services beyond Docs, such as Google Drive and Gmail, so it's crucial to be signed in. After clicking sign in, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials. Type in your Google email address. This could be a Gmail or a Google Workspace account. Once you've entered it, click Next to proceed. Google takes security seriously, so up next is your password. Enter your password carefully. It's important to get this right to access your account. Hit Next, and you should be logged into your Google account in no time. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be automatically redirected to the Google Docs homepage. This is where you can really dive in. You're now ready to create new documents, open existing ones, or even edit shared documents. Google Docs offers a plethora of features designed to cater to your professional or personal needs, all in one convenient cloud-based location. And there you have it. Accessing Google Docs is straightforward, but if you ever encounter any trouble, remember that Google's help resources are always at your disposal too. Whether you're crafting a novel, collaborating on a business report, or simply jotting down notes, Google Docs is a powerful tool that helps keep your work organized and accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. So get started today and unlock the full potential of your writing and collaboration endeavors. Enjoy the endless possibilities Google Docs has to offer and transform the way you work with documents.